Welcome to Regency Park, located in lovely St. Cloud, Minnesota. We're excited to share our partial common area remodel, which brings a space that had not been touched since 1988 into this century. We start in the entry, where we've replaced the obsolete building control access with Butterfly MX, a Salto fob system, and walk-off mat tiles in entrance vestibules. In the lobby, we replaced an outdated fountain with a modern seating area where residents can hang out and even charge their phone or laptop while waiting for a friend. The vaulted ceilings now have a beautiful feature chandelier. The old library business center is now our create space, providing a fun spot for art projects, crafting, and creating. What was a solid block wall is now filled with windows and natural light. Upcycled gym lockers are now art supply lockers for residents to store their own creative supplies. We included a sink station, drying racks, easels, and bulletin boards to encourage residents to get messy and create. Our new community room used to be a small single-purpose room, but now has been developed into a larger and multi-purpose space. The front seating area looks onto a beautiful fireplace and movie watching area, with stacks of board games nearby ready for residents to hang out. The old pool table was refinished and given new balls and cues. We also added a shuffleboard table and high-top seating in the game area. We designed a modern slat wall as a visual divider between the game area and the kitchen dining area. We removed a former restroom and added space for a full kitchen and dining area. The kitchen contains a cabinet front refrigerator, ice maker, countertop oven, and microwave. Beautiful granite countertops with a tile backsplash and a huge island for entertaining. The large wall-mounted television provides HDMI connections, especially for those who may want to utilize the space for visual presentations. The lovely Live Edge farm table is custom built by a local artisan. Modern booths are great for more private conversations, working, or studying. The office spaces were small and not very operations friendly. They lacked efficiency and were not a welcoming space for residents or team members. We have completely reworked this space to create an open concept leasing area, 2 offices with inner windows for full visibility of the leasing space, and we also added a work/break room for the team with a keeper system, maintenance desk, and meeting table. It now has ample storage, modern cabinetry, and workspaces that create a more cohesive working environment. The fitness room also got an update. All the old wired windows were replaced with clear safety glass, opening the space to provide a beautiful view into the lobby. The room got a fresh coat of paint, cubbies for residents, and a new Salto fob system. Finally, the Lexer package lockers were added to give residents the convenience of 24/7 package pickup. We are very proud of the renovation and additional amenities we're able to provide our residents at Regency Park. By thoughtfully redesigning these common areas, we hope to provide a better living experience in our community.